Hello children, today we will study who said to whom of the third chapter, that is Save Again. Okay. Before I start, again I want to remind you that learn all the word meanings properly, read the chapter, learn question answers and book exercise. So let's start. Open page number 19. So as I told you that who said to whom, we look at the sentences which are in inverted commas. Okay, so page number 19, if we see first paragraph, there is no such statement, sentence. Second also, third, fourth. Come to fourth stanza. See, there is, look at the baby windhovers, look at their fluffy feathers. Now you underline this sentence. Who said this? School children to one another. Okay, school children to one another. आपस में बोल रहे थे. So school children to one another. Now there is nothing else. Now you turn the page. Now first, second, third, fourth line you see. I want you just for myself, my friend. Underline this. I want you just for myself, my friend. Who said this? You can write schoolboy to windhover, or you can simply write boy to windhover because there is no name given here now. So we can write boy or schoolboy, both are correct. So boy to windhover. Now next, if we see here, hey stop, where are you taking our windhover? So underline this, hey stop, and then where are you taking our windhover? So underline this. Who said this? Girl said to boy, or you can write school girl to boy. Both are correct. Girl to boy or school girl to school boy. Next is this one. You stole our windhover. Who said this? Girl to boy. Next, leave me alone. Boy to girl. What has happened to him? He's so thin. Girl to boy. Girl said this to boy. I want to keep him. He's mine. Who said? Boy to girl. Next. A white bird can't be yours. You must put him back or he will die. Who said this? Girl said to boy. But I don't want him to die. Who said this? Boy said to girl. Okay. Boy said to girl. Next. If you put him back, I promise not to tell anybody. Who said this? Girl to boy. Okay. Girl to boy. So only this much who said to whom is there in this. So you fill it very carefully. Don't make any mistakes. Now let's do book exercise also. Page number 21. First is say true or not true. Okay. So the baby windhover lives alone in a hole in the wall of the school. It is not true. The windhover chicks are scared when they see an unknown creature near their nest. True. The boy catches the windhover because he wants to set it free. Not true. The girl says that the windhover will die if it is not put back in its nest. True. The windhover's brother and sister easily recognize the chick when it comes back. Not true. Now turn your page. Enjoying the text, what happens and what it is. So I'll just read out the answers. You can match. Second, B. All the chicks grow fast, but the speaker grows faster than everyone else. Third, C. The boy bundles the bird into sack and takes it away from its home. Fourth, D. The baby bird is unable to eat and so becomes thin and weak. Fifth, E. It recognizes the girl who visits every day and sometimes brings food. Sixth, F. The bird sees its mother flying down to feed it. Okay. Now let's come to page number 23. Let's match the following. I didn't sleep well last night, so I feel very tired. Don't worry, we can finish the project tonight or tomorrow morning. Yesterday I had to do my homework and help my sister with her sums. You can come at 9 o'clock, but Please don't be late. He played football in the hot sun, so he has a headache. I thought she would be angry, but she was so nice. Now come to B part. Complete these sentences with his, hers, ours, theirs, yours, mine. This is my book. This book is mine. Now see children, how it can come in MCQ. It can come like this. Suppose, which is your house? Which house is? Option number A, mine. Option number B, yours. Option number C, ours. Option number D, his. So which option will you select? Yours. Okay. So like this it can come. So which is your house? Which house is yours? This is not our dog. This dog is not mine, yours, ours, his. Which option is correct? Ours. Okay. So that this dog is not ours. Fourth, this is his bag. The red bag is also his. That is her bicycle. That bicycle is hers. These are their dogs. The cats are theirs too. T-H-E-I-R-S. Theirs too. It is very important to put S after it. Okay. Now next one. Replace the words in color in these sentences with the words from the box. Here also it can come in MCQ like it is there, no? A chick comes out of its shell with difficulty. So now you have to replace the, suppose it comes, replace the underlined words with the similar meaning. So it can come like beat, struggles out, strange, free. So which one you will select? You will select struggles out like this. So a chick struggle out of his shell. Suddenly I am not in a cage. Suddenly I am free, strange, dazzles, beat. Which one will you select? Free. The creature makes a noise I do not know. The creature makes a strange noise. The light makes me want to close my eyes. The light dazzles me. I move my wings up and down and try to fly. I beat my wings and try to fly. So this is all about chapter number 3. Thank you.